Young British Artists, YBAs, 1990 present characteristics of the period. The YBAs emerged in the early 1990s as a group of British artists known for their provocative and conceptual approach to art. Their works were often large-scale, experimental, and shocking, addressing controversial themes such as death, sexuality, and consumer culture. By incorporating everyday objects, multimedia installations, and humor, their art was both accessible and confrontational. Known for their close ties to commercial galleries and a strong focus on marketing and media, the YBAs were often associated with male artists like Damien Hirst. However, female artists played a pivotal role in the movement, challenging taboos and societal expectations through their groundbreaking works. Female artists. Tracey Emin, known for works like My Bed, 1998, which candidly explored personal experiences of trauma, loss, and vulnerability. Sarah Lucas used humor and everyday objects in works like Two Fried Eggs and a Kebab, 1992, to challenge gender stereotypes and explore sexuality. Rachel Whitehead, renowned for House, 1993, a concrete cast of a house that delved into themes of memory and absence. Fiona Banner combined text and imagery in works like The Naam, 1997, to analyze narratives and the aesthetics of violence. Challenges for women in this period. Male dominance. The YBAs were often led by male voices, requiring female artists to fight harder for recognition. Commercial pressure. The group's ties to galleries and collectors resulted in criticism that female works were undervalued unless they were sufficiently shocking. Personal exposure. Artists like Emin faced intense media scrutiny, where their personal lives and work were sensationalized. Female qualities in their work. Authenticity. Emin's raw emotions and vulnerability challenged viewers to rethink the relationship between art and personal identity. Humor and irony. Lucas used absurd and playful elements to address serious issues such as gender and power. Vision and innovation. Whitehead transformed everyday spaces into conceptual sculptures, pushing the boundaries of traditional art forms. Reflection on today. The YBAs highlight how art can be not only visually striking, but also emotionally and socially transformative. The female artists within the group demonstrated that provocation lies not just in shocking, but in presenting honesty, humor, and innovative perspectives. Today, the legacy of the YBAs warns of the commercial and media-driven influence on art. In a world increasingly reliant on digital platforms and algorithms, this movement urges us to support authentic voices and create space for diverse narratives, regardless of their commercial appeal.